Stay tuned for the ultimate breakfast quesadilla. Hey, Chef Dez coming at you from my kitchen again, corporate chef of BC Egg. Yeah, we're gonna make breakfast quesadillas, but to tell you the truth, these are great for lunch, dinner, anything. They are just amazing. Let me show you how easy this is. So we're gonna start off with 3 lovely BC eggs. Always remember that every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, over 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get. And 1 large egg, it's only 80 calories. So like I say, we're gonna take 3 of these and we're going to scramble them up. Get in there with a whisk, give them a good beating. Let's go to the stovetop. All right, so we're gonna take a large non-stick pan, medium heat, and just take a little bit of butter. We'll let that melt in there. Using a non-stick pan just makes this really easy, so make sure you do that. The butter will also help to release the eggs to make this the perfect quesadilla. All right, once that butter starts melting, I just take a little pastry brush just to coat the pan. And once that pan is coated, we're gonna take our 3 beaten BC eggs and just pour them in the pan. Then I'm gonna take a little salt. Remember, we haven't seasoned the eggs yet, so a little salt, a little pepper. Do a little bit of grated cheese. You can't have a quesadilla without cheese. Then we're gonna take a large tortilla and just place it directly on the raw eggs. What we're waiting for now is for those eggs to completely cook and set like you were making a large flat omelet. So we're keeping it on the medium heat the whole time, and you're just looking to make sure that the eggs are set. You can touch the quesadilla, and if you see the eggs at the edge jiggling, then you know it's not set yet. So I can see that they're set on this side. I'm just waiting for this other side. They still look a little bit wet just on the edge. All right, once you're confident that the eggs are set, just get a big flipper and get directly underneath and flip the whole thing over. The eggs are now on the top side, and we can start building our quesadilla. What I do for any quesadilla is obviously cheese, but I put the cheese all over. Even though we're going to fold it in half, a lot of people will just put the cheese on the one side. By putting the cheese all over, it gives it an opportunity to melt the cheese completely on that quesadilla in all areas. Then, because we know we're going to flip it over, I just start building my fillings on the one side. This is just a suggestion what I'm doing today. You can do anything you want inside your quesadilla. I'm gonna do a little bit of salsa. And again, just putting it on the one side. I still have it on that medium heat, and it's crisping up that tortilla really nicely. And I have a little bit of a fresh avocado that I'm gonna put on here. But again, use your imagination. You can do anything you like for your quesadilla. Just doing a little bit more cheese there, but remember we have cheese over the whole quesadilla already. We're gonna season up that avocado. And once you can see that the cheese has melted, now is your opportunity to get underneath and flip that over to make your quesadilla. Look at how nice and brown and crispy that tortilla is. Oh, it looks beautiful. It won't take long now because the inside is cooked, the outside is crispy. You may want to flip it over just to make sure. Perfect. And we're done. That's how quick and easy this is. Let's go to plating. All right. Oh, this looks so good. There it is. You can cut this into 4, you can cut it into 3, whatever you like. Oh, hear that crunch? Beautiful. And then a very quick way to plate it. Get your hand and 1, 2, 3. But look at that. You have the ultimate quesadilla made with lovely BC eggs. Make sure you check it out on the website, bcegg.com, for a whole bunch of other great recipes, tips, and tricks. And this is Chef Dez signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?